So this drawing was brought into Trimble Business Center, and as you can see, it's missing a bunch of contours in the middle of the project. So what I've done is I've gone back into Civil 3D to take a look at the original file, and you can see that there's contours in the middle here. These contours, if I select it, it's actually the tin surface. So the way Civil 3D works is that that surface is being displayed with a particular surface style. So if we take a look at the surface properties, I can see that the surface style is this existing 2 and 10 foot contours. Even though the proxy graphics, so if I look at proxy graphics variable, is set to 1, when you bring this drawing in the Business Center, the contours don't come. So you have a couple options of what you can do is you can export out the surface, which would actually send the triangles and the surface data as a surface to Business Center. Or what they can do is select that surface, and from that surface they can extract from the surface, and they can extract objects. And the objects that they can extract in this case are the major and minor contours. So those are the contours that are displayed, and those are the options you get based on what's displayed. So if I displayed the triangles, if I displayed 1 and 5 foot contours, then that's what I would be able to extract. So I can, select all, or I can select certain ones. So if I do okay to that, what happens now is you'll see that it actually not only gets selects it basically now creates these contour lines as individual lines. So now I can save this drawing and import it into Business Center, and it would have those contour lines would show up as polylines basically in Trimble Business Center.